¿Qué pasó? You ready to go to the cruise, puppy? Yeah? Say, I'm ready.
Okay. Sí.
It's embarkation day. You ready, puppy? You ready? You ready? Look at the ship. We're almost there. Found a duck already. We're on the ship. Right. We made it on the ship on Stars of the Seas. Look, might be the balloons. See the balloons? Oh my goodness. Whoa. You saw his reaction? Uh-huh.
You see the balloons? You see the lights?
Whoa, look at the what is this called? The pearl? See the balloons? Yeah? Alright, turns out we're in the wrong side of the ship. We gotta go back. Huh, puppy? Come on. See the dog? We made it on the ship.
Yeah.
Now the vacation can begin. And our muster stations at the fitness center. Probably gonna be the only time I go into this fitness center the whole vacation. So we just finished our muster station. Now we're gonna go get some pizza at Sorrento's. Right, puppy? You enjoying it, puppy? First meal of the day. He's on his second slice.
Yeah.
Finished too. He was really hungry. All done? O más? Feeling good?
He's just gonna eat pizza.
The whole 7 days we're here.
No, big one.
We were just there. We made her up here for the Pearl Cafe. That's weird. We found Central Park.
Hi there. Let me help you with your bookings.
Yeah, this video is just gonna be us recording our environment because everything's all new to us. We gotta put sunscreen on him.
I know, mira papá, mira papá.
Who said you can drink juice? Look, now you're hyper. Alex. It's a lot different than last time, huh?
Now we gotta slow down.
Yep.
Last time we're here and there all over the place.
Yep.
Venga, no vamos a caminar. Venga.
We made it to Surfside. This is where we're going to be spending a lot of time because this is for the kids. Oh, look at the Ferris wheel. All the slides up there. Hi, puppy. Whoa. How'd you guys like that ride? You liked it? No comment? Can I do vanilla?
You're welcome.
Enjoying your ice cream? He's enjoying his ice cream. He's enjoying his ice cream. They got a whole splash pad here for the kids. Restaurants, playgrounds, they got everything.
You wanna go on the slide? ¿Le quieres subir en la slide?
Papi, come on. Vamos. Alex. Made it to our room after the little splash pad. And
Luggage at 3:30.
okay. We made it to our room, puppy. This is an upgrade from our first room when we first went cruising. This is gonna be your room for the next week, puppy. You wanna leave already? So we have a little window this time, whereas last time we were interior boarding. So we wouldn't have an ocean view once we set sail. Look, puppy, a window.
No.
No, you don't like it? I think he's just tired. Yeah, let's take a nap.
2 hours later.
Someone woke up in a good mood. You had a good nap, puppy? See? We're gonna go explore again. Ready? Let's go. Come on. Let's go. This way. We're moving.
Oh, we're moving. Mira.
We're sailing away.
We'll see you later. Bye.
Whoa. We're on our way. Say bye-bye. Why are you dropping your stuff? Say bye. This guy is getting uncomfortable. You don't want any?
What? Está dulce. Yummy, yummy. O esta pues.
Doesn't want any. This guy just does not stay still. Look at him. Alex. We're taking a break from all the busy areas and we're just walking here where it's completely empty. So everybody else is at the main dining hall or the pools. It's like we have the whole cruise to ourselves because nobody's over here. The sun's too bright, come on.
We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright, everybody. Come on. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate.
Find a duck, puppy? Alex, you find a duck? ¿Cómo le hace el duck? Mama found the duck. I think that should be it, no?
I think so. Just enough roam around eating. Yeah.
Yeah. Call it a day. It's been a long day. Hey, puppy? You ready to go to sleep? Doesn't even care. Right, puppy? Tomorrow, we're gonna spend the day at Perfect Day Cove, okay? It'll be your first time in the ocean. Alright.